Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own blockchain account. To learn, watch the video till the end. Blockchain is a cryptocurrency financial service company. The company began as the first Bitcoin blockchain explorer in 2011 and later created a cryptocurrency wallet. To create an account, first you need to download the blockchain app. You can download it through Google Play or App Store. After downloading the app, open up the app. Here you can see an option called Create an Account. Click on that. Type in your email and type in your password. Select your country and click on I understand that Bitcoin and so on. After that, click on Get Started. After that, type in your email and create a strong password. After that, select your country and click on the terms and policies. After that, click on Get Started. Now create your 4-digit PIN. Retype the PIN. If you want to enable your Face ID, click on OK. If not, then click on Not Now. To verify your mail, it will send a verification code. Check your mail to verify. After that, you have successfully created your account. So that was the process of creating your blockchain account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a like in this video. And if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest uploads. Stay tuned as we will be providing you with the similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.